In this video, I'm going to show you 3 types of bike pumps that you can use whether out on the road or at home, or even if you got a home workshop, you can have 3 options for each and every purpose. So let's get into it. For your first option, you got yourself the conventional hand pump. This one is for the sign. It's very compact and practical, and you can use it on your mountain bike as well as your road bike. It's very pocket friendly. The only downside of it is the actual maneuver that you got to put into it. So once you get a flat tire, you have to actually pump it with your hands, and you get put a toll on your forearms as well as your hands. For your second option, you got the automatic compressor. This one is for Xiaomi. Basically, what it does is that once you plug the hose, you can indicate how much PSI you need, and you plug it in the valve, and you let it pump it away for you. So this one is press and inflator valve, and it's good to keep it at home if you want to do all kinds of things while you're letting the tire be pumped by this little box. And lastly, and the less conventional option is this air compressor from a brand called Jill's. What it does is that in this little canister, you get a forward pump, and you pre-pump it inside this can until you get your specific PSI. So here you get an indicator. And once that's done, you can actually pull out the little hose in here, and this little button on the back should be able to pump away the tire within a single shot. So this one I use typically if I want to set a tubeless tire. It's very specific, but it's actually very conventional because you need to pump the tire as soon as possible. So this one does work very well for you. Great, so those were 3 bike pump options that I want to share with you guys today. I find it very beneficial because having this array of bike pumps allows you to make this job less stressful and mundane. It actually allows you to move on to much more important things, and you actually risk having less stressful hands and a bad back. So yeah, hope you liked this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.